Hi, my name is Mark and thank you for watching. In today's video we're going to change an old iPhone battery out of this iPhone 4S. I've had this for 5-6 years maybe, and I'd like to continue to use it because it's in great shape, but I'm just going to use it as an iPod. I like to take it to the gym a lot and the battery just isn't lasting as long as it should or used to. So I bought this kit from iFixit and it contains everything that you need to change and replace a battery in an iPhone. I think it costs about $17 plus shipping, so for about $30, I'm going to put a new battery in this iPhone. It contains all the tools, everything you need, and it shouldn't take too long, so let's get to it. that's it, success. So this whole process took about 20 minutes or so. Cost me roughly $30 with the kit and shipping. It was here within, I think, 3 days. And I thought it was kind of easy to moderate skill level. I did have a little bit of trouble getting the little tiny clip underneath the battery plate. My fingers in the screws, I fumbled around a little bit, so you have to be really careful. Use the tools that they give you. I think they do come in helpful. Remember that the different screws take different heads within the phone. I'm sorry, the different screws on the phones. These are different, and then underneath the clip, they take a different screw. I'm not sure. I didn't use the third one, so I'm not sure what that's for. But everything worked. The phone came back on, and I recommend, and they recommend, that letting the battery drain down to below 10%, charging it, and then plugging your phone back in, and then you'll get a much better battery cycle life out of it. So good luck to you, and thank you very much for watching, and that's it.